You are welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the two views of a given figure that is displayed at the left hand side of the screen in isometric projection. Now, when you hear the word isometric projection, the first thing you have to do is for you to draw your isometric axis, right? You take your instrument and you draw your vertical axis this way, right? You draw your vertical axis this way. This is the vertical, and the horizontal this way, representing the two inclined axes, which can either be your x or your z axis, right? Now after that, you measure your total height here to be 150. From 0 to be 50, sorry. The height is 50. So from 0 to 5 is 50. You can see that. Then the width here, since it is hexagonal in shape and we're giving one side to be 30, meaning that the diameter is what, 60. So you're going to measure 60 in both sides, from 0 to 60 here, and also 0 to 60 here, this way. Then you make it form your box in this fashion. You come this is going up, this is also going up. You close it up, and also close it up too, and do the same thing here, and do the same thing here. Can you see that? This is what we'll come out with. So from here we'll carve out our image. Now the thickness, the height here is given to be what? 15. So I'm going to measure 15 here, from 0 to 15 here. But since I am using my instrument, I don't have to measure 15, 15, 15. I'll just use my instrument to draw parallel lines. This is 15 here. Can you see that? So since it is facing this side, so what do you notice? Now what I will simply do here is I am going to do the needful, connect this point to this point here, as you can see, and this point to this point here, as you can see. So I should be able to complete the base here and also here. Can you see that? So with the help of my instrument, right, I am going to draw an hexagon here across flat, because if you look at the plan, it is hexagonal in shape. So I'll draw an hexagon across what? Across flat. So you draw the horizontal this way, and you draw the vertical this way, and they are meeting at this point, and you take the radius of that circle you see, right, and just take it that way, from 0 to 30, 0 to 30, and I'll place it here. Can you see that? You draw your circle. Hope you can see that. This is what we used to draw the circle here. So once you've done that, you just use your instrument here and you draw your across flat here. So from here, you do this, and you take it up to from here. Do this. You do the same thing here too. You do this, and the same thing here too. You do this, and you close it up. And you close it up. Right? So you can use this to form a box. So I can call it to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and what? J. Can you see that? So once you've done that, you can just from here to here is from here to here, the center, and here also. So I can easily just complete that. And complete this too. Can you see that? So if here, since what I'm having here, the two sides we're looking here is pointed, so it will be at this point or this point. So if here can come from this point, right? From this point here to this point. Can you see that? I'll come here, I'll mark down and up. Come here also, I'll mark down and up. So I can now use my instrument now. And I'll connect here to here. And also here to here. And also here I'll be using faint line. Then here also I'll be using faint line. Then here also I'll be using faint line. Can you see that? So what I'll simply do is I will take here up to touch here. As my arrow is pointing here, this line, I'll take it up to touch here. Then I'll take it up to touch this line. The thickness I measured earlier, this thickness, right? Then here it's coming up here to touch here, but it will not show. To show, so from here, I'm coming here to touch here. Can you see that? Then the next thing I'm going to do is this. Start joining them together. So the back here to go up to touch here. Sorry, it will not come out fully. That will be faint line. I'll come here too, I'll do the same thing here too. Take your faint line to touch here. So I'll now use my instrument and start joining those points together. From here, straight down here. From here, straight down here. From here, straight down here. Then from here, coming straight down here. And from here, straight down here. And from here, straight down here. Then I'm ticking here too. Right? So this is what we have. So ticking here too, is already there. So ticking. So this is what we have. You can't see other one here, so that's why we didn't place them there. It's a solid figure, it is not hollow. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.